How to find language settings on Spotify easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it on PC easy and quick. First open your Spotify and now click on your profile here in the top corner and then click settings. And once you're here, all you need to do just scroll down until you find language. If you can't find it here at first one, just scroll and you will find it, and then click on it, and now select any language you want, and that's it. Just select any language you want and it will be saved, and then just go back, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.